What's good, YouTube? As you can see by the title, I am making a fur backpack. This video is super short today because this only took me like 2 days, so it wasn't really that much to film, but I still hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. So this is the first bag I made. So I'm actually using this as a pattern for the fur backpack, and I'm using the zipper because I didn't have another one. So this is me seam ripping the backpack so I can just trace it out on the lining and the fur. So this is it all deconstructed. I actually had to make 2 more side panels and 1 more of this like zipper panel, and then those are the front and back panels, and that is the hanger. I'm actually not using that. And this is the lining, cut it all out. And this is the fur all cut up. And this is me sewing the lining on the fur. So this is the lining all sewed on. I actually really hate working with fur because it gets literally everywhere. And this is me putting these side panels together with the zipper part. So I pin it all together right here. And this is me sewing it up. So this is it sewed together. And this is me figuring out that I needed 2 other side panels, so I pinned those on. And this is me sewing it. And this is the zipper I found, so I'm gonna put a pocket on the front panel. And this is the pocket right here. I just cut out some stuff, just like eyeballed it. I had no pattern for this. This is me sewing the pocket together. This is the pocket all sewn together. Now I have to put it on the front panel. This is me sewing the pocket on the front panel. So this is it all sewed together. I'm surprised it came out good because I didn't even know what I was doing. And this is the back. I actually added the straps and this hanger thing. I realized that I need to put it on the outside, so that took me like 2 times to figure out. This is me sewing the straps on the backpack. This is it all done. Now I'm putting the zipper part on the front panel, like the side parts and the zipper. I don't know what you call that. And this is me sewing it together. So right here, I clipped the back panel to the rest of the panels, and now I just have to sew it up. So this is the backpack all done. Came out pretty nice. I really like the way it came out. Definitely one of my favorite projects. Definitely gonna make another one like this. Sorry for the shaky camera work. I really can't open the bag with one hand, so yeah. And this is it on body. So that is it for the video. Let me know in the comments what you think of this bag, and let me know if you want me to do more backpacks like this. This bag is for sale, so let me know if you want it. DM me or comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.